Hello guys, so today's vlog is a quick vlog guys, and we will only answer one of the comments from our comment section regarding for the Canon R7. So, yes, shout out to Ismael Tony Istigoy. Yes. The comment is, Sir Rapi, mayroon akong Canon EOS R7 at mine na bago akong settings sa range icon, meaning the settings from general settings. Okay? Pagkatapos nito ay naging dim na ang display at hindi na rin ma-turn on. Pwede bang makahingi diyan ng makahingi diyan mga ka-photographer kung ano ang pwede kong gawin na maibalik ang normal operation ng display or screen ng camera ko. So, yeah, it's Tagalog. He said that when after he checked the icon of the range icon or the settings, the general settings, he lost the display of the camera is totally black and there's no LCD screen. So, ayan, let's try to figure out what is maybe the problem for the camera, and let's see. But again guys, before anything else, if you like this kind of content, if you like photography, if you want again this kind of content, please consider to subscribe and hit notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video tutorial, and comparison. So instead, I will answer in Tagalog. So let's make it in general. I will try to explain in English. So for in general. Okay, I have one camera here. Let's try to record. Oh. Okay. Yan. So, we have the Canon R7. Yan, or record. Okay. This is our Canon R7. So, this is our Canon R7. First, he said he go to the settings range icon, meaning the general settings. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you go to 1, only language, help text, mode guide. Number 1, recording function, number, auto rotate, add. I think it's not on that area. Language, video system, help, no. Beep, volume. If you go by power settings, this one will only disable after 10 seconds, 1 minute. But I think this is not the solution. Next, we go in the number 4. So you have here on number 4 at the top, you have the screen viewfinder display. I think you need to go to the screen viewfinder display. So you have 4 options. Number 1 option is auto 1, only screen. Number 2 is auto 2, auto switching. Number 3, viewfinder. This is only just viewfinder. And number 4 is screen. I believe that you choose the viewfinder. That's why if you choose viewfinder, you don't have screen anymore. So your menu or the function will be in the viewfinder. So if you check the viewfinder, let's see the viewfinder. So this is your viewfinder. And so again, go with the menu. Yes, it's working in viewfinder. So meaning you don't have LCD. You disable the LCD and you're working now in the viewfinder. So to go back that, just change. Either you will select auto 1 or auto 2. So if you go with auto 1, you have already your screen. Yan. See, if auto 1, if you hit the sensor, if you put the eyes from the sensor, automatic you have a viewfinder. See? That's the auto 1. Auto 2, I think it's similar, auto switching. If you hit the sensor, this is the sensor from the camera, guys, of R7. So if you hit the sensor, so you have only viewfinder again working. And number 3, the viewfinder. So if you again choose the viewfinder, it will work only just a viewfinder. So you have blackout screen. Next, if you choose screen, just only the screen. Even if you touch or hit the viewfinder, still the screen will turn on and you don't have a viewfinder, only just the screen. So I think, sir, you choose the viewfinder instead. So you can select auto 1 and auto 2 or just a screen. Yan. Because if you go to number 5, you have only touch control, multi-function, shutter, sensor cleaning, closing up, reset camera, firmware, battery. So I think this is the solution, sir. Just check your screen viewfinder display and select Auto 1 or Auto 2 or the screen. So maybe you select on the viewfinder. Just try to turn on your camera. For example, let's see, you are in the screen and it's turned off. Let's see. When you open the camera again, there's no screen, but for sure there is a viewfinder. So check your viewfinder, go with the menu of the viewfinder and select Auto 1 or Auto 2. So you have that display. So yeah, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. So to Sir, Mr. Ismael Tony Istigoy. So I hope it will this solution will work for your camera. So just double check for the viewfinder. If working a viewfinder, just select that number 4 and the viewfinder settings or the selection. So yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of Canon cameras, we have Canon R7 here in AAB World. Visit our website www.abworld.com. So yan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.